Ever crunched numbers at the end of the month only to realize your payroll is off? Or maybe you've wondered where those extra hours went. If you're a Housecall Pro user nodding vigorously, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Housecall Pro to unearth the secrets of employee hours. Let's get started. Imagine this: you're the captain of a ship, your crew is your employees. To steer this ship smoothly, you need to know where everyone is, what they're doing, and for how long. In the world of business, your ship is your company, and your crew's time is your most valuable resource. Housecall Pro is your navigation system, and today we're learning how to chart the course of your employee hours. First things first, let's talk about why this matters. Knowing your employee hours isn't just about payroll accuracy. It's about productivity. Identifying patterns in work hours can help you optimize schedules and boost efficiency. Job costing. Accurate time tracking is crucial for determining the profitability of each job. Overtime management. Prevent unexpected overtime costs by monitoring employee hours closely. Compliance. Ensure you're adhering to labor laws and regulations. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually see employee hours in Housecall Pro? Step-by-step guide. Log in to Housecall Pro. This is a no-brainer, but it's worth mentioning. Ensure you're using a computer or a mobile device with a stable internet connection. Navigate to the timesheet module. The exact location of this might vary slightly depending on your Housecall Pro version, but generally, it's under the Employees or Time tab. Choose a time period. Housecall Pro allows you to view hours for a specific day, week, or custom date range. Select the period you want to analyze. Filter by employee. If you want to see hours for a particular employee, use the filter option. You can also view hours for all employees at once. Analyze the data. Once you have the data, you can sort, filter, and export it to a spreadsheet for further analysis. Look for patterns, anomalies, or trends. Tips for effective time tracking. Encourage time entry. Make sure your employees understand the importance of accurate time tracking. Set clear guidelines. Establish clear guidelines for time entry, including break policies and overtime rules. Regular reviews. Periodically review time cards for accuracy and consistency. Utilize reporting. Take advantage of Housecall Pro's reporting features to gain insights into labor costs. But wait, there's more. Housecall Pro offers some advanced features that can supercharge your time tracking. Geolocation tracking. Verify employee location through GPS to ensure accuracy. Job-based time tracking. Accurately allocate time spent on